Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the HSI 2025 Committee for giving me the opportunity to present my research. My name is Fatmawati Rahim, a PhD student in Civil Engineering Hasanuddin University. Today, I will be presenting my research titled Development of a Quality Assessment System on the Level of Damage to Building with a Fuzzy Logic Approach Multi-Criteria. Introduction. Buildings are physical structures to fulfill human needs. Buildings have various function and form. Building construction consider aspects to comfort, safety, and environment sustainability. Case in point, an industrial building regeneration project in Xi'an, China received an evaluation of good in technical, social, ecological, and sustainability aspect, but only fair in economic aspect. Another example, research in Turkey saw significant fire damage to the structural element of the building. Construction project contractor selection method, digital-wide multi-criteria decision making with interval filled fuzzy set. Rating systems such as Concuse and Classic are used as international reference. Introduction issue. Improving infrastructure quality is a priority include in Indonesia. Technical assessment mechanisms for building quality are lacking. Subjective assessment make it difficult to set objective standard. Indonesia doesn't yet have a standardized system for measuring building damage. Building condition assessment are often subjective and inaccurate. This can increase safety risks and maintenance costs. Delay in damage detection can accelerate structural degradation. A more structure and technology-based approach is needed, such as a fuzzy logic-based system. Importance of building quality assessment. Building quality important is Indonesian, especially due to the high risk of natural disaster. Building defect assessment helps reduce disaster risk. Quality industrial buildings are important for the economy. Classification on building damage level in Indonesia, Minister of PUPR, Regulation Number 20 per TM 2018, light, medium, heavy. That on the development of the construction sector in Indonesia shows significant growth. Challenge and need for a new system. Deteriorated building condition require special attention. Building quality assessment is important to ensure safety and standard compliance. Very quality assessment methods have been developed. The match to government buildings such as warehouse increase security risks and cost. Security risks and cost. The match assessment and building eligibility face four challenges. The main challenge the complexity of factors to consider. Traditional assessment systems are often subjective and unstructured. New approaches that are more system and able to handle uncertain are needed. Fuzzy logic as a solution. Conventional methods have limited limitation in handling uncertainty. Fuzzy logic is a practical approach to handle uncertainty in building damage assessment. Fuzzy logic-based quality assessment system can predict maintenance need. The use of multi-criteria enable more accurate decision-making. Fuzzy logic allow more flexible assessment with fuzzy logic membership degree. The multi-criteria decision-making approach low modeling by considering various criteria comprehensive. Research contribution and novelty. This research filled the gap by offering a building damage evaluation method that combination fuzzy logic and multi-criteria. It over satisfaction level decision-making method. Two main novelty. One, fuzzy logic approach to measure building quality more precisely and objective. Second, development of a unique application to the system systemically and efficiently measure deterioration and assess building quality. Reset hypothesis. A rating system is needed to improve the accuracy and efficiency of building the match assessment. The multi-criteria physiologic approach often offer an adaptive and logical analysis method for data with high uncertainty. Hypothesis, the development of a multi-criteria physiologic-based quality assessment system can improve the accuracy and validity of building the match evaluation. Literature review and physiologic approach. Approach such as multi-criteria physiologic can be used for quality assessment implementation. Physiologic enable more flexible evaluation. Physiologic is relevant in building the MAC assessment due to its ability to handle uncertainty. The integration of multi-criteria approaches is important because building the fact are influenced by many factors. This literature review discussed the development of a building the match quality assessment system using a multi-criteria physiologic approach. Research methodology. Methodology system literature review stage formulating the research question. Literature search, determination of inclusion and exclusion criteria. Literature selection, data presentation, data processing, conclusion drawing. Result and discussion. A total of 30 articles were analyzed. Result of the review article. Research should lead all the evaluation model can evaluate the regeneration project of all industrial building. Ada et al. Pair cause significant damage to structure element. Nita et al. The method successfully integrate pre-qualification and bid evaluation. Objects of building the match quality assessment with fuzzy logic. Research name building the match assessment with fuzzy logic. Lee et al. Old industrial building. The et al. RC factory building. Nita et al. Construction contractor. Further discussion. Example, research by Lee et al. 2020 demonstrate an effective evaluation model for the regeneration of all industrial building. The research of Ada et 2020 relevant the impact of air on building structure element with reduction in compressive strength up to 40%. Research by Tota at 2024 and Nita at 2024 appraised the importance of integrating pre-qualification and bid evaluation in construction project. Squivias et al. 2021 used an index to show the most severely damaged area in Indonesia. Moreto et al. 2022 examined the capability of digital technology in industry, including for production and maintenance planning. Mardini et al. 2015 and Abdullah 2013 saw the increased use of quasi multi-criteria decision-making method in various sectors. Sordi et al. Embraced the importance of an integrative approach in assessing the achievability of land per landfill. Alhuri et al. 2020 found variation in resource utilization in the foreign region of Indonesia with potential income from warehouse rental. Conclusion. Infrastructure development and quality assessment system are essential for economic growth and community development. The fuzzy logic approach enables a more comprehensive evaluation by considering uncertain variable. Digital technology and I have the potential to improve operational efficiency. Fuzzy multi-criteria decision-making methods are increasingly relevant in various sectors. Comprehensive evaluation of ecology and socioeconomic factor is required in infrastructure development. That concludes my presentation on the development of a fuzzy logic-based quality assessment system for evaluating building the match level. I hope this research can serve as meaningful contribution toward building smarter and more responsive infrastructure assessment system. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.